Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for a new account on Janitor AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser of your choice. Once you open up a web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in janitorai.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website. Once you come across this interface, go and click on the register button at the top right corner. You can register with a Twitter account, a Discord account, or using an email and password. In today's video, I'm going to choose the email and password option. Go to the first text box where it says email and enter an email address of your choice, and also make sure to enter the valid email address available. Now, go to the next field and type in your password you would like to set for your Janitor AI account. After typing in the password, click on the register button. You will then need to verify your email address. Open up a new tab and log into your email inbox that you've chosen and click open the email from Janitor AI. Click on confirm email button. Now on this page, you can go ahead and fill in some of your personal information. Start off by typing in a name for yourself and uploading an avatar by clicking on the upload button. Select a picture you'd like to add as your avatar, and then once you've done that, create a username for yourself on the next field. Your username can be set only once and you will not be able to change it later. So make sure to enter the correct username you'd like to set for yourself, and then go ahead and fill in the About Me and Appearance boxes that will be displayed in your profile. After updating your profile, click on the Update Profile button, and you have now successfully created a new account for Janitor AI. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.